Ah, crap.
Oh, really? Okay, it's time to go kill some people. Where's my motorcycle? Hey, you have a motorcycle that I want. Bye. Get the heck out of my way. Get out the way, car. Go away. Ow, what the fudge? Oh, sorry. Oh, crap. Get on the goddamn motorcycle. Do not do this in real life, kids. Oh, crap! Ow, what the fudge was that for? Run! Get out the way, cop car. Yeah. We'll see about that. You're going down. You're going downtown. Oh crap, that would probably be me because I'm the one with the cops chasing me, but crap, screw it. The heck is wrong with you? I'm gonna get back on the bike since now I know there's no one chasing me anymore. Yeah, they knew they were gonna get in trouble. Get out the way, stuff in my way. Crap. Oh no, oh no. Yeah! What, fool? Oh crap. Ow! Oh, it is on. Oh yeah, you wouldn't. How the heck is this thing still in one piece? Oh, carry two helmets, eh? Smart guy. No, ah, crap. Oh crap. No. No. Oh crap. Yeah, I saw that guy. Oh no. We aren't running any cars today. No, sorry. Oh crap, that was scary. No. Ah! We'll have more of that next time. Later. Bye, guys.